In this easy beginner guitar lesson, you will learn how to play a simple riff for the song Wild Thing by the Troggs. This is a really simple riff to play, but has a very interesting rhythm. This is a perfect beginner guitar song, especially for understanding rhythms. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Check out all the other beginner guitar riff lessons I have on this channel. There are tons of them on here, and they are all ideal for when you are new to playing guitar. Grab your guitar, get in tune, and let's crack on. Okay, so to play this riff, we only need 3 different notes, and they're all on the A string. So the A string is not the top string, it's the next one down, so we call it the A string or the 5th string. And we are going to be playing, first note is going to be open, so actually it's an A note, so we play that note, open. Then we go up to the 5th fret, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We press down the fret just behind the fret wire, press the string down onto the fret, and you play that note, which is the A string, and that is a D note. And the last note we need to play is an E note, so we go up 2 frets, so we go up to the 7th fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, press down the 7th fret just behind the fret wire, and then you play the A string again, and you've got the E note. When we're playing, we can count to 4. We're just counting, so that's the rhythm, the beat of the tune, so we're just counting to 4 over and over again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what we can start doing is we can start putting in little bits in between these numbers as well. And these are what we call offbeats or upbeats. And the way we count them is we count them with an and in between each of the numbers. So we can count it as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. When we start counting like this, we're actually counting what we call an 8th note count. So what we're going to start doing is start playing on some of these given counts of these subdivisions of the beat. So the first note, the A string open, is going to be played on just the numbers 1 and 2. So we can just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's quite straightforward to do, but I want to really get you into the idea of being able to understand how the count and the rhythm works. That's the entire point of this lesson. So now we've got that. The next part, we're going to go up to the 5th fret of the A string, which we said before is the D note. Now we're going to be playing the 5th fret of the A string twice, just like we did with the open string, but this time we're going to be playing on the and after 3 and the number 4. So that would be 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm just going to play this note on those parts so you can hear how it sounds. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. When I put that together, the first one, the open A string on the 1 and 2, and this D note on the and of 3 and 4, it'll sound like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now you can repeat that as many times as you need to until you've got it, because it can be a little bit strange getting used to these subdivisions at first. But when you've got that, the rest of this is really easy now. So we're going to go to the 7th fret of the A string, the E note, and we're going to play this note on the 1 and 2 again. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then in the same place, the rhythm's the same as we've just done. On the and of 3 and the number 4, we go back to the 5th fret. So the second part will go 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? I'm going to repeat that again so you can try that bit on its own. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I'm going to put the full thing together so you can hear how it sounds, and hopefully this is starting to make some sense about how we count and how we play on different subdivisions of a beat. After 4. 1, 2, 3, and 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 4. As we progress through this beginner's guitar course, I will come back to this song and show you how to play it using the chords, the A, E and D chords, and it's the exact same just using the chords. But at this point in the beginner's guitar course, I just want to introduce you to the idea of how subdivisions of the rhythm work. But if you want to go ahead and learn it with the chords, then click on the link in the description box or visit the card in the top corner and you can access that there. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video, and I will see you in the next one.